Everyone is fighting for views on YouTube and Instagram. But there is a hidden platform where complete beginners are using AI to make 500 rupee to 1000 rupees a day with zero upfront investment. Welcome back to Data Vinings. Today we are breaking down the most profitable, untapped AI side hustle of 2026, Facebook page monetization. Most people think Facebook is dead, but its algorithm is actively pushing high-quality, AI-generated content to millions of users, and they pay creators directly for the views. The best part: you don't need to show your face, you don't need a camera, and you don't need an existing audience. If you want to build a digital asset on the easiest platform available right now, hit that subscribe button and let's get into the blueprint. Step 1. The niche and setup. First, create a completely free Facebook business page. The secret to fast monetization is picking a broad, highly shareable niche. The top performers are personal finance, stoic motivation, or health and wellness. You are not going to post personal updates, you are going to treat this page like a digital magazine. Your goal is to reach Facebook's threshold for in-stream ads and the Reels bonus program. Step 2. The AI content engine. You are going to post 3 times a day, but it will only take you 15 minutes. Open Google Gemini and prompt it, "Give me 10 highly engaging, short motivational quotes about building wealth." Next, open a free AI image generator like Microsoft Designer or Leonardo.ai. Ask it to generate an aesthetic, cinematic background like a luxury car, a mountain peak, or a sleek office setup. Drop that image into Canva, paste your Gemini quote over it using a bold, clean font, and download it. You now have a piece of viral content ready to post. Step 3. Unlocking the monetization. As you consistently post these AI images and turn some of them into short videos using ClipGem, Facebook's algorithm will start showing your page to a massive global audience. Once you hit their follower and watch time requirements, you unlock Facebook monetization. Facebook will automatically place ads on your videos and pay you a share of the revenue directly into your bank account. It is a completely automated income stream once it is running. Step 4. The affiliate multiplier. You don't have to wait to get monetized to start making money. You can use the strategy we learned in our previous videos, digital products. Create a free planner or an ebook using Microsoft Designer, put it on Gumroad for 200 rupees and paste that link in the comments of every single Facebook post you make. By pairing a Gumroad store with an AI-generated Facebook page, you create the most beginner-friendly distribution strategy available right now. Outro and call to action. This strategy works because you are leveraging a massive, older audience that actually clicks on links and engages with content. If you are going to start your AI Facebook page today, comment Facebook down below. This system runs on consistency, so build your page and schedule your posts. Click the video on your screen to see the exact Microsoft Designer tutorial we mentioned in this video, and I will see you next time on Data Vinings.